talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tumblr app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, you click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, you just click here on account settings here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you go down, just keep going down here. Then it's going to show for you here, so labs, you click on it, you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You come here to Tumblr labs, you activate. When you click on this sign, that like you see this color show for us, that's mean activate Tumblr labs, enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.